Hi, hope you are preparing well. Please note the best answering techniques as per the mark scheme and guidelines of the CBSE. Dear student, you will be awarded marks for every step. So important points, formulas, please include in your answer. Even if your final answer is incorrect, you will be getting the marks. Number 2, keep your answer simple, relevant and to the point. Number 3, word limits. Be stick to the word limits. मतलब copy भरने वाला formula may not work. Please pay attention to the words like describe, explain, justify and reason in the question and write your answers accordingly. Allocate your answering time as per the marks given to that question. Neat handwriting and organizing answers would help examiner to assess your answers better and effectively. Flowchart and diagrams carry separate marks. Last but not the least, use the sandwich techniques. That means introduction, body and conclusion. Mention examples. Hope it would help. So show up and good luck.